And it's snowing out today, obviously.
What's going on, man?
You gonna get some work done today? Hope you're having a good one.
Man, what you doing running around out here in this blizzard?
So, adds a different element. I do the YouTube thing. Beautiful day here in Kansas City. Following a trash truck. I hear him behind on the street behind where I live. I'm gonna walk up here, see if I can't get some video. And it's snowing out today, obviously. It's cold, about 20 degrees. The kids are in school, surprisingly. And we're gonna come up here and get some footage of the garbage trucks. Gotta be on the move. I hear them right around this corner. And we're gonna take some footage. Hope you're having a good one. I got a nice sidewalk here I can stand on. These waste management trucks usually have a Coroto can in front. And I see them down here. It's parked, moving slow today. The roads aren't cleared yet. But we're gonna try to get some footage. Hope everybody stays safe today. The garbage crews that are out working. And we're just gonna take some footage. I'm gonna track him down here in this cul-de-sac. And plenty of cans down here to pick up. And maybe he'll start moving by the time I get down here. He must be taking a break. But we're gonna see what we can get. Low visibility today. Snow's coming down pretty good. But we're just out here. Life is good, enjoying the day. And we're gonna take some good video of these garbage crews that are out working hard, taking care of business, and see what we can get. So walking up on this waste management Coroto can. See, he's just hanging out here. He's got plenty of cans to pick up down here. I'll come down here and get some good footage. Must be taking a break. Sounds like he's talking on the phone.
What's going on, man?
You gonna get some work done today?
Man, what you doing running around out here in this blizzard?
Oh man, I got a day off.
Okay. Yeah, man. Last week we had a little girl over there. You was kind of scared the crap out of her. I said, no. He live in the second house off the corner over there. Him and his kids be out there. He's filming. But he's not, don't worry about it. He already got wild on camera.
Yeah.
I was nervous. I didn't know what he was doing. He wouldn't say nothing.
She finally stopped, and I was glad she did because I got to explain to her. I was like, I'm just taking videos. My kids like the garbage trucks.
That's right.
I do the YouTube thing, and yeah, I didn't mean to scare her. Where's Juan? He's gone?
He ain't over here. They start doing.
He's cool. I talked to him for a little bit. He's just out here taking it slow in the snow. He gave me specific permission that I could record him, so we're gonna take some good video here. So that was some good footage right there. Got to talk to the driver a little bit. He knocked over a can. I'm gonna pick it up for him, help him out a little bit. And he's gonna keep on moving. I'm gonna help him out. And everybody's gonna have a good day today. I might be able to catch up to him a little bit down the street. And he's gonna keep moving. He dropped a little bit of paper, so I'm gonna help him clean this up a little bit so he doesn't have to get out of the truck. And I'm just gonna take it slow too. I'm walking a little bit today. Gonna get a few inches here in the KC Metro. And it's a good day. Got some good footage. I'm gonna keep moving, see if I can catch up to him, but that might be it for today. He's moved on up the street a little bit quicker than I thought. I don't have my truck with me, so I'm just walking. But I think I'm gonna take it back to the house, and he'll come by my house later. I might try to come out, catch him on the sidewalk when he comes to my house. But yeah, that was a good pickup. The cul-de-sacs are real good to get footage. There's a lot of cans. You can just kind of walk down the sidewalk as the garbage truck is picking up the can. And it's a real good footage, real easy to pick up. And that was a good pickup right there. Got the snow falling, so adds a different element to the footage. You get to see the garbage trucks working the snow and the crews and how they have to work in the elements. So that was a good pickup. And I'm gonna go back home, and hope you guys having a good day, enjoying the footage. Thanks for hanging out, and we'll catch you next time. I'm gonna grab the waste management truck again. Here he comes. We got another pickup on the waste management, and was able to come out, grab this can right here. You can see him down the street there. Still snowing pretty good. Waste management driver, he's moving slow today, but he's taking care of business, and we appreciate him. And we're gonna keep moving.